कर रहे हैं मच। द ग्रेट थिंग इज दिस, न भूला किसी ने अपने टीचर्स की बात, अपने स्कूल की याद। शायद यही है रीजन आज है सब आबाद आबाद आबाद। ओल्ड एंड न्यूज का मिलन कितना खूब, न इफेक्ट कर रही है किसी को कड़ी धूप। थैंक्स टू द टीचर्स एंड टू द एलुमिनीज, दिया हमें भी चांस टू बी अ पार्ट ऑफ दिस। While in front of you guys, we are just kiddies. So guys, just enjoy and do control your thoughts. For time one lost can never be caught. Finally, I would like to thank to school and committee for this great and awesome meet. तो दोस्तों गाइस, ये है वो शनिवार जिसका था सबको इंतजार। एल्यूमिनी शनिवार, एल्यूमिनी शनिवार, एल्यूमिनी शनिवार। थैंक यू। As we all know that आशुतोष भैया, Amol Bhaiya and Pallavi Sidi, that they are the root of this organization. They are the reason that this show can be successful today. So, moving further, I would like to call Amol Bhaiya so that he can say he is the seed to this alumni meet. Let us call him Mr. Amol Bhaiya and say what he is going to say.
Well, respected principal ma'am and director sir, and all the teachers and non-teaching staff and all the alumni members. We are really, thankful to have such an occasion that we are having today. I'm really privileged. I'm really honored, and I'm thankful to the honorable principal ma'am for making this happen. And we must not forget the two hands of Alumni Association, right hand and the left hand, Pallavi, Sri and the Ashutosh. We must give a big round of applause for them once again. Right. So, and also the thing is that they have really worked hard. Pallavi is already doing and busy in their building career, and Ashutosh is already busy with his job. But along with that, he's getting the time for arranging the steps for organizing the alumni meet, and this is the moment and this is the result, this is the outcome that we are having today, right? So let's once again have a big round of applause, because we want to make this here very far away to the North Point in the Sanjay West kind of a school. So let's show the strength of the alumni. I want to once again you guys to show the strength of your clap. So please have a big round of applause for having the Alumni Association. Congratulate yourself for having such a great moment that we are having now, right? So yes, it is fine that this is not a sort of speech I am going to give in the time that we have here. So I would like to talk more on the Alumni Association and the starting of my sunshine life that we are having here. So I'll tell you, let's go back to 27 years back, 1990, right? And at that point of time, the school was just a 6-year-old when we landed to Muzaffarpur along with my family. I have two younger brothers, one of them is available here, and one elder sister is also there. And my younger brother has also come with her spouse also. So we landed here, the school was just 6 years old, and the date was 5th January 1990, and the principal was Mr. R.S. Prasad sir, and then we have a Devrat sir as a principal sir, and the R.S. Prasad, the school was not big, we only have a 7th standard as the highest standard, and the R.S. Prasad sir, he was the first principal, he used to drop us to our home. So that kind of a school it was, right? So we have just grown up here, and we have built our education here, right? So that's the small, the story I would like to tell you. And then I would like to move to the next part, that's the important part, that is the Alumni Association. You could look at the Alumni Association slides, introduction of the Alumni Association. I have already covered my introduction. Let's talk something about the Alumni Association. If there is an Alumni Association, there is a purpose in it, right? It's not just get together, it's not just a party. Yes, it is there, but there is some purpose, there are some objectives, right? So we have some aims and objectives. You could look at this slide. Can you go to the next slide? This is the aims and the objectives. This is what we want to achieve here. And there are the 4 or 5 aims and the objectives which we would like to have, right? The first that you can look here, that we would like to contribute towards the enhancement of the social utility of the alma mater, right? We would like to work we would like to cooperate with the school for their progress and the progress of the child, right? And then we would like to have the interactions between the alumni and the present students, right? So I didn't know who Pallavi is, I didn't know who Asutosh is. Now I know these people because we have the platform called the Alumni Association, right? And then also we would like to contribute something to the existing student of the class, so that's why we are having the Alumni Association, who will establish the scholarship funds, right? And we can institutionalize the prizes and the awards, right? And then we are the people, we are the citizens of India, and we would like to contribute in the national interest. Definitely we will also work on the awareness, on bringing the awareness on the social development of the nation, right? So these are the objectives that we would like to achieve via this Alumni Association, right? And to achieve these objectives, we have to definitely do some activities and all. One of the activities